Hello everyone, this is MAMTA MUND and today we are going to solve some exercise questions 1 to 15 of exercise 3D of chapter 3. Chapter name is Playing with Numbers of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrade.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state boards. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we will learn and solve exercise 3D questions 1 to 15 of chapter name is Playing with Numbers and topics are test for divisibility, prime factorization and finding prime factors. Let's solve some questions. Now question number 1, test the given numbers divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 9, 10 and 11. First bit is 168. We have to check the number 168. The number 168 divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11 or not. First we check the number 168 divisible by 2. First we check the number, this is divisible by 2 or not. So we know any number divisible by 2 if the last digit, that is the unit place digit, is 0 or even number. Here unit place digit, that is 8. Unit digit of 168 is 8, which is divisible by 2. 8 is divisible by 2. So this number 168 is divisible by 2. So 168 is divisible by 2. Now we check the number 168 is divisible by 3 or not. We know any number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digits, that is digit sum is divisible, digit sum of that number is divisible by 3 or not. If the digit sum of the number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. If the digit sum of the number is not divisible by 3, then the number is not divisible by 3. So first find out the digit sum, that is the sum of digits of the number 168. Digit sum of 168 is 1 plus 6 plus 8. And 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15. And 15 is divisible by 3. So this number 168 is divisible by 3. So 168 is divisible by 3. Now we will check the number 168 is divisible by 4 or not. We know any number is divisible by 4 if the last two digit of the number is divisible by 4. Here last two digit of the number 168. Now divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Now last two digit of the number 168 is 68. 168 is 68. Last two digits of 168 is 68. 68 is divisible by 4. So this number 168 is divisible by 4. So this number 168 is divisible by 4. Now we will check the number is divisible by 5 or not. divisible by 5. Now last unit digit, uh, if any number is divisible by 5, if the last unit digit is 0 or 5. Here last digit, last unit digit is 8. So 8 is not divisible by 5. If the last, that is the last digit, that is the unit place digit is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Here unit place digit is 8 and 8 is not divisible by 5. So this number 168 is not divisible by 5. Now we'll check the number 168 is divisible by 6 or not. Divisible by 6 or not. We know any number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. That is 6. 6 is the factor. 6 is factor of 6 are 2 and 3. That is 6 the multiple of 2 and 3. So the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Then the number is divisible by 6. First we will check this number 168 is divisible by 2 or not. 6 is 2 multiplied by 3. So we have to check this number is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3 or not. Here 168. 168 is divisible by 2 because this unit place digit 8 is divisible by 2. So this number 8 is divisible by 2. So this number 168 is divisible by 2. Now we will check this number is divisible by 3 or not. Here sum of digit, that is digit sum of this number 168 is 1 plus 6 plus 8. 1 plus 6 plus 8 and 1 plus 6 plus 8 is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So this number 168 is divisible by 3. Now this number 168 is divisible by both 2 and 3. One 168 is divisible by both 2 and 3. So this number 168 is divisible by 6. Now the number 168 is divisible by 6 because this number 168 is divisible by both 2 and 3. So this number is divisible by 6. Now we have to check this number 168 is divisible by 8 or not. Now up to till now we have completed this divisibility test up to this number 6. Now we will check this number is divisible by 8 or not. By 8. We know any number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digit is divisible by 8. Here the last 3 digit of this number 168 is 168 and 168, last 3 digit of 168 is 168 and 168 is divisible by 8. So 168 is divisible by 8. So this number 168 is divisible by 8. Now we will check this number 168 is divisible by 9 or not. Divisible by 9 or not. Divisibility test of 9. We know sum of digit, that is digit sum of the number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Here digit digit sum of the number 168 is 1 plus 6 plus 8, and 1 plus 6 plus 8 is 15, and 15 is not divisible by 9. 15 is not divisible by 9. So this number 168 is not divisible by 9. So 168 is not divisible by 9. Now we'll check this number is divisible by 10 or not. 10. We know any number is divisible by 10 if that number is divisible by both 2 and 5, because 10 is the multiple of 2 and 5. So if the number is divisible by 2 and 5 both, then the number is divisible by 10. Now we will check this number 168 is divisible by 2 and 5 both or not. First we will check this number 168 is divisible by 2 or not. We know any number is divisible by 2 if the last, that is the unit place digit, is 0 or even number. Here unit place digit is 8. Unit place digit of 168 is 8, and 8 is divisible by 2. 8 is divisible by 2. So this number 168 is divisible by 2. Now we'll check this number is divisible by 5 or not. We know any number is divisible by 5 if the last digit, that is the unit place digit, is 0 or 5. Here unit place digit of 168, unit place digit of 168 is 8, which is not divisible by 5. 8 is not divisible by 5. So this number 168 is not divisible by 5. So this number 168 is not divisible by 5. So now this number is 168 is divisible by 2, but 168 is not divisible by 5. So this number is not divisible by 10, because if the number is divisible by both 2 and 5, then the number is divisible by 10. But here 168 is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 5. 168 is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 5. So this number 168 is not divisible by 10. So this number 168 is not divisible by 10. Now we'll check this number is divisible by 11 or not. If we know if the number is divisible by 11, if the sum of digits at the even places and sum of digits at the odd places is either 0 or 11, that is the divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Now we'll check this number is divisible by 11 or not. Here first find out the sum of digits. Sum of digits at the even places. Sum of digits at even SS is 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. And sum of digits at odd place is 6. At odd place. Odd place is 6. Here the sum of digits at even places is sum of digits is odd place. This is odd place and this is even place. 1 plus 8 is 9. Sum of digits is odd place and sum of digits at even place is 6. Now difference of this sum of digits at odd place and sum of digits at even place is 9 minus 6, which is 3. Now 3 is not divisible by 11. So this number 168 is not divisible by 11. Now difference of sum of digits at odd place is 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 minus the sum of digits at even place is 6. Now 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 is not divisible by 11. 3 is not divisible by 11. So this number is not divisible by 11. So 168 is not divisible by 11. Now all done. 168 is divisible by 2 because this unit place digit is 8 and 8 is divisible by 2. This is divisible by 2 and sum of digits of this number is 15, which is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3 and this last two digit of this number 68, which is divisible by 4. So this number is divisible by 4, but this number is not divisible by 5. And last two digit of this number, that is 8, 68. 68 is divisible by 2 and 168 is sum of digits is 15, which is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 6 because this number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So this number is divisible by 6. Now this number 168 is divisible by 8 because this last three digit is divisible by 8. 168 is divisible by 8. And this number sum of digits of this number is 15. 15 is not divisible by 9, so this number is not divisible by 9. This number is not divisible by 9. And now this number is divisible by 10 or not. This number unit place digit 8 is divisible by 2, but this number is not divisible by 5 because this unit place digit is not 0 or 5. So this number is only divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 5. So 168 is not divisible by 10. Now this number 168 is divisible by 11. No, because sum of digits at odd place is 9 and sum of digits at even place is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3, which is not divisible by 11. So this number 168 is not divisible by 11. So this number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. And this number 168 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. And 168 is not divisible by 5, 9, 10 and 11. subscribe my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.